question is, what exactly is UM Res Rel, okay? So usually this is something somebody has told you this, either your lawyer or your insurance company, or maybe the bad guy's insurance company said UM Res Rel. What UM Res Rel is uninsured motorist residential relative coverage. All right, what all that basically means is somebody who's related to you by blood or marriage lives in your house and they've got a separate policy than your policy, okay? If you're involved in a serious collision, you are allowed to look for people who live with you, who are related to you by blood or marriage, at their own underinsured motorist policy coverage, okay? And this is something we'll be happy to analyze for you and go through it and look at all the coverages available. Usually comes up when somebody's hurt pretty seriously, okay? So the bad guy's insurance wasn't enough. You've got your own underinsured motorist coverage. Maybe that's not enough. And you're looking to see if you live with a relative who's got their own car insurance, okay? And sometimes that money is available to help you. One of the questions that comes up is, I don't want to file on my uncle's car insurance, and his rates go up. Not allowed to do that. They're not allowed to raise the rates because you use your underinsured motorist insurance coverage. Same as underinsured motorist resident relative coverage, okay? So don't worry about rates. If you've got this issue or you're worried about it, call us, let us talk through it with you, and then you can see if it's worth having a conversation with your uncle that says, hey, can I use your car insurance or not, okay? And we'll talk to you about that, talk to you about any of the ramifications. But usually the ramifications are, there are none, okay? It's not gonna raise the rates. You're just gonna have to look at their policy and we'll talk to you about that. I'm Shane from Shane's Law. If you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999. Like and subscribe down below for more tips and tricks.
In pain, call Shane.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.